Yo, what's up? I need you guys to look at something. Look at this. Just look at this. What the hell was Blizzard thinking? Who was on the balance team? Who was making these decisions? This is garbage. Like, look at this. A homing one shot grenade that hits when it misses, and then on top of that, it slows down everything in the vicinity. Like, what kind of no skill stuff is this? You know, people at Blizzard are trash at their own game. You know they're trash when they have to. When they think an ability that locks onto you, follows you around the map, does half your life, if not more, hits everything around it, it slows down the opponent, and then they nerf Reaper and Moria, so they can't escape this? What? Who is making these decisions? Like, these people do not play their own game. They do not. This is the stupidest ability. No skill, one shot, scrub, McCree. Garbage. And then you add on the meta of the game, the toxic rush meta of the game. On top of this, one shots everywhere. Like, burst damage everywhere. Like, you melt in 2 seconds. Like, what is this game? It just, oh my god. Bobby Kotick. Bobby Kotick.